Hello, this is Godzilla98 and I'm back with you with another review, and today's review I'm reviewing the Dalek Death to the Dalek from Death to the Dalek sound effect toy from 2012. Let's begin. Really? Hang on.
You are an enemy of the Daleks. Exterminate. Maximum power. Fire. Daleks are the supreme beings in the universe. Exterminate.
Okay, on to the review. This Dalek was released in, I think it was 2012. Hang on, let me look it up. Yeah. Yeah, it came out in July 5th, 2012, in Toys R Us and Argos. Those were the exclusives. It was exclusive to two shops, Argos and Toys R Us. And if you're in America, it would be on Amazon.com exclusively to there, and your Toys R Us as well. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's go on to the review. The Dalek. You can go outwards. You can go side to side. Says the plunger, the twists. Says that the Dalek ray gun, and it can eye stalk can go up and down. Head can do 360 or 160 degrees. How am I going to do this? Excuse for my glass. You can do this up and down when it's on the ground. Yeah, there's wheels, set of wheels at the bottom. These are called lights. When the Dalek talks and its voice comes from there, but the lights light up. Yeah. This is from John Pertwee's story in 1974. Death to the Daleks. Yeah. Sorry about my throat. Got this bad throat from my friend. Anyway. Yeah. Let's see. There's so many phrases.
You are an enemy of the Daleks. Exterminate. Maximum power. Fire. Exterminate. Exterminate. Exterminate.
And you can do that many times.
Daleks are the supreme beings in the universe. Seek, locate, exterminate.
Yes.
I obey. Emergency alert, alert. Pursue, pursue. You are an enemy of the Daleks.
And back to the beginning. Yeah. Overall, I like this Dalek. And I never gave my figures scores, but I give this a 9 out of 10. Or 8 out of 10. And for the Genesis, I'm going to mention Genesis the Dalek. The Dalek itself is a 8 out of 10 as well, and the Fourth Doctor, 10 out of 10. But they need to keep trying nailing the Fourth Doctor's costume a bit better, but I don't mind. and for the sonic screwdriver has to have a black piece and a red single piece or silver piece. Let me show you as an example. Yeah, no. This is the Fourth Doctor sonic screwdriver. As for the example, it's supposed to be like that. Yeah. But character options, I give you a message. If you're viewing this, if you're watching this as well, I like how you done with the Fourth Doctor figure. And please, we need to have another Fourth Doctor. And the one we need is trying to think. So many versions of him. Yeah, like a Logobulus set with the Master, Anthony Anley, and Tegan or an Adric figure, or just the Watcher. Yeah, I love to see another Fourth Doctor gift set, and that'll be the next review. And I hope you enjoy this video, guys. And if you're watching this video, please put a like and a comment below. And if you just discovered this channel for the first time, if you're another person in the public watching this for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment with a message below and what your thoughts are on on the 3 reviews that I've done. Thank you and goodbye.